first Shamrock survey of the 2024 school year, we want to talk about hydration.
People throughout the building need to get water all the time.
Some people fill up their water bottle.
Some people just get drinks of water from the fountain. We want to know which water fountain is our school's favorite. So we asked people to tell us about their favorite water fountain and why they like it so much. Let's hit the halls!
Hello, my favorite water fountain is probably the one right next to my classroom, 102, so I can keep my eye on the kids and have some fun in the halls. Anastasia, Miss Anna.
What's your favorite water fountain? That one. It has the best water. It's always the coldest. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your favorite water fountain?
Water fountain, that one.
Say the number.
The one by the lunchroom.
What's your favorite water fountain?
That one right there, next to
Say the
the...
number.
What number?
Lunchroom water.
The lunchroom one.